fly go, love? Did you see where it went?
I don't know.
There's a fly in there.
How come you can't believe it? Flies in a house is normal.
I don't want to fly in here. It's not sunny yet.
Well, it feels like summer outside.
Well, clearly the fly feels the same way, don't they? I think I killed her. I can't
Where's
see
the
her.
fly taser?
Fly taser's broke.
Ah!
Make her a noise. I think it's dead.
Good.
How rude.
How is it rude to just be buzzing around in the house?
When you say now, if you had something to eat and it was landing on it.
True.
Mm.
But I didn't.
Luckily.
I don't know. The door wasn't closed. The window wasn't.
It's still in here, isn't it?
Maybe.
Now he's dead.
Maybe. I don't know where it came from. Where? What? Maybe it's because this house is musty and dusty and rusty and crusty.
Hey, don't say that about our house.
That's the only way it could be here.
No, it isn't. I saw flies over the park yesterday. Remember I said to you, Lotte, I want to leave soon. There's loads of flies buzzing around.
That's because it was outside.
Yeah, but we had the front door open for ages while Tommy was out there talking to his friends.